So let's begin with the practice session. Okay, as I mentioned, today we are going to do the more practice compared to the theory parts because we don't have much theory in this. Okay, so nothing is to worry. There are four questions in front of you. So two questions I am solving. Okay, remaining two you can try. These questions are very easy compared to the yesterday's lesson. This is easy, but this is the foundation for to solve the moderate to high level word problems. Okay, so first of all, what you have, the instruction is given to you is translate each phases into algebraic expression. So they are talking about expressions, right? And once we know that there are expressions, it means what? They are not equal. There is no equal sign, right? There is just one expression. Okay, okay, fine. So nothing is to worry. Sum of z and 10. So they are just saying sum of z and 10. It means what? Because of this word, you know that you have to put the plus sign. Okay. And then they are talking about z and 10, right? So what you have to do, you have to put the plus sign in between them. Okay. Because they are connected by this. Okay. They are asking for this, right? Getting this one? Okay, this is as simple as, okay, nothing is to worry here, just easy. Now let's say this one, 100 subtracted from r. Okay, so they are talking about subtracted, okay, from r, right? It means what? R minus 100. Yeah. Then what about c and d? Who is going to tell me? Okay, Nandita, can you please answer me the c part?
8m.
Okay, product. See, you got this word, right? Product, it means what? Already we talk about, like once we find the product, we have to multiply those variables on the numbers. Okay, so m and 8 they are talking about. So m times 8 we have to do, and you can say 8m, right? So fine. Now let's talk about this one. So let's see who is going to answer me this question. Kai, can you please tell me the last one?
Y divided by 10 would be y then it divided by symbol then 10.
Yes, like this, or you can say like this or anything. Okay, it's fine. Like both the things is fine. So these are the things. Okay, very easy things. As I told you, this is just learning how you can convert the given words into the algebra format. Okay. So let's have the next page. May you find some good little bit. See, the question type is the same, but here you have to make the equations. Okay. So let's try everybody. There are four questions, and I am giving you 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, that is more than enough. So let's see. And here we have the 82 members. So let's see how many is answering me to this question. Okay, we are targeting at least 40 people. You have to send me the answer all this together. Okay, don't send me the single answers. Do it all of them, like A, B, C, D. Do all four together and then send it to me.
I accidentally sent it.
Okay, it's fine. Now you can correct yourself. Okay, so I can see many answers, but not the too much. I can see just 27 answers over there. Let's see. I'm waiting for more 10 answers.
Can you stop that, please?
Amanda, please mute yourself. Okay, so most of the answers I have received only, and now it's okay. We can do it together. You can compare your answer with my answer. Okay, so the first one is what? Sum of y and 5 gives you 20. Okay, so gives you, it means what? Basically, gives you, it means they are talking about equal sign, right? And the 20 as it is. Now sum of, so sum of it means what? There should be two numbers, right? If they are talking about sum of, so y and phi you are finding here. So y plus phi equals to 20. Getting this one? So this way you can make the equation. Okay. Now no one is asking us to solve this, so it's fine. 4 multiplied by r. Okay. So they are telling you directly 4 times r is equal. It means equal 20, right? So like this, you can see what you have prepared here. 4r. Okay. 4r equals to directly 20. Okay. There is no plus sign. By mistake I have done that. Okay, let's have the next one. Let's say the difference between. Okay, so they are talking about difference between, so there should be two number. So the numbers are 20 and y. Okay, and equal sign they are putting here, and equals to 60. It means what? 20 minus y equals to 60, right? Now let's talk about the next. As you can see, product of. Okay, so when we are multiplying, it means what? Product, it means multiplication. Okay, so 10 times y is same as, it means what, equal sign. So you can put this into the algebra equation. That is what you have, 10y equals to 20. Okay, now please raise your hand if you have any doubt in this. Otherwise please remove your hands if you don't have any doubt. If you have a doubt, keep. Okay, still 5 hands are there. Okay, Moyuk, can you please tell me what is your doubt?
I don't have a doubt, just that I would like to point out on C it should be y minus 20.
Okay, let me check the difference between 20 and y. So why it should be y minus 20? What is the reason behind that?
Because if you do 20 minus something, it can't be a number bigger than that.
See, they are talking about the difference between 20 and y, right? No one told us like from which number you have to subtract, right? So it's fine. I don't find that is wrong because they have not mentioned. See, the last time they have mentioned like this 100 subtracted from r. Okay, so that's why r should be the first. But if they are not mentioning anything, the difference between two number, so the first number is my first number. Why I will flip the order? 20 minus 5 equals to 60. Okay, and the answer can be negative as well. There is no problem because they are the variables. So we are not aware about the answers, right? Like plus or minus. So I think this is the correct. Okay. Now, Amina, what is your doubt? Isla, what is your doubt? Okay, so no one have any doubt. So,
No, just
yeah,
also about C. If it's 20 minus y, would that make y a negative number?
but who like there is no rule like variable cannot be negative.
Yeah.
Is that a rule? There is no rule, so
No.
it's fine. If there is a rule like y cannot be negative, if they mention like this here, y cannot be negative in the second line, then it's fine. Like then we have to move y minus 20. Okay, but otherwise it's fine. Like no one mentioned here. Okay, so
Yeah, I was
we
just
cannot.
wondering if y could be negative.
Okay, no problem. So translate each phase into the algebraic expression. So again, you have the expression. Okay, please do this. All of this, all of you, please do this question, and then randomly I can ask to anyone. Okay, try to figure it out. What are the answers, and give me all the answers together. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I don't really understand B.
B. Okay.
Yeah.
See, if you not understand, then you have to give us time to other to solve and remaining. Please, you can solve the remaining. While I will solve, you will get how to do it, right? In between, I cannot say the answer because remaining members are solving. Okay.
Excuse me, I don't understand how to do this.
Okay. So if you have a doubt, please wait. Other members are solving, and you have 1 more minute to wait. Okay. Then I'm going to solve. So your doubts are getting clear. Okay, about it. Yeah. Che?
Okay.
Okay. So yes, everyone, you have last 1 minute to solve this four
Sir?
questions. Yes.
For C, for multiplying, I'm using the letter X because the other, my times doesn't work, but
Okay, it's
there's
fine.
a X letter, so, shall I put the letter X for the
It's
time
fine.
symbol?
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Got you. Okay, so let's solving this questions. Okay. So what you can find here, x decreased by the total of 10 and y. Okay. So what is given here? Kian, can you please answer us? What is the answer of this first one? Yes, Kian. Okay. Moyuk, can you please answer us? What is the answer of the first question?
Wait, did you say me?
Yes, Moyuk.
It's X minus 10 plus Y.
Okay, x decreased by the total of this one, right? They are saying. So x, okay, and then decrease by, it means this will gives me negative sign, and the total, it means what? It will gives me positive sign, and 10 and y. So it means 10 and y is there. This positive will be go here. Okay. Now, what I mean, this is positive. Okay. Now, what we have? X decreased by the total of this. Okay. So you have like this x decreased by 10 plus y. Okay. Like this. Now, if you want to open it. Otherwise, it's fine. There is no problem. Okay. Is there anyone have any problem in this? Okay. Then raise your hand. Otherwise, remove it.
Okay, I understand it now.
Understand it? Okay. So, very good. Arya, please tell me what is the answer for the next question.
For the next question, the answer is y plus z minus 4 or 4 minus y plus z.
Okay, 4 less than the sum of. Okay, so Arya, like both the answer is not possible. Okay, so you want to choose which one you are going to choose?
Y plus z minus 4
Yes, that's the correct, because they are telling you for less than this, right? So first you have to write this sum of y and z, okay, because of this, and then for less than this, right? So you have to put like this, okay? This is your answer, y plus z minus 4. Now, Khushi, can you please answer me the next question?
Um, the answer could be x, y, z.
Okay, so the product of x, y, z, they are talking about product, it means multiplication. So you have to multiply this all together, x, y, and z like this. Okay, very good. Now let me choose the last person to solve this. Roshan, can you please answer me? The D, last one.
Y plus 6r subtract 10.
Okay, so this they are talking about sum of y and 6r. Okay, so from this you will get y plus 6r. Okay, and after this, what you have? 10 is subtracted from this. Okay, so you have to put a bracket and then you can minus this. Okay, it's fine if you don't put the brackets, then also fine, but I'm just telling you this is a full number. After that, they are asking subtract 10 from it. Okay, fine. Now keep your hands up if you have a doubt. Otherwise, please remove everyone. Okay. So I can see 4 hands up. Khushi, you have any doubt? Niraj, what is your doubt?
No, sorry, I just forgot to
Okay.
put my hand down.
Samriddhi, what is your doubt? Okay. Divine.
My doubt is that when it's for the first question, when it said x decreased by the total of 10 and y, and then for 10 for D, 10 is subtracted from the sum of y and 6r. How are you meant to know that how are
Okay.
you meant to know what order it's meant to go in?
Okay, no problem. So I'm answering this question. Okay. So in the question number A, what they are talking about in question number A, they are telling you this is your number x. Okay. X is decreased by the total. Okay. So they are telling you x is decreased by. It means what? First x will be there and then you are decreasing the next number. Okay. This one. Are you getting me? X is decreased by. Okay. So the last expression is must be less than x, right? Fine, the first thing, and now I'm telling you the you have asked this one, right? The
Yes.
D1. Okay, so in this, what they are telling you, 10 is subtracted from this. Okay, so if you consider here any number like 10 is subtracted from, let's say 15. So what you are going to do? If let's say I am saying here 15, you have, okay, for example. So you it's like common. You are going to do this one only, right? 15 minus 10. Are you getting me? So the same way, instead of 15, you have this number. Like after putting the value of y and r, you have a number, right? So you are 10 is subtracted from that. They are telling you. So this type of expression will form. Is it clear, Divine? Now,
Yes.
yes. Okay, thank you. Arya, what is your doubt?
For D, I wrote 6r plus y instead of y plus 6r.
That's fine. Like you are adding 3 plus 5, then also you will get 8, and 5 plus 3, that is also 8. So in addition order, it's fine. Like it does not matter. Okay. So you are also correct, Arya. Okay, Tulsi, what is your doubt?
Why do you write brackets for y plus 6r?
Okay, so there is no meaning of this. While I have written, I told you, like this is as a full number, I am showing you, okay? Like 10 is subtracted from this, okay? Like if you want to open a bracket, I don't have any problem. I told you while writing this, like this one is also okay, like no need of bracket, I agree. But I am, while writing, I was telling about this is a full number. From, after that, this is a full number, right? That is why I have written them in combined format, okay, like this format. But it's fine, like we can remove as well, there is no problem. Okay, no need of bracket. Yes.